What's up, everybody? Let's talk about obliteration. No, I don't mean obliterating your models or your peace of mind. I'm referring to a new way to remove censorship from AIs. Let's get into it. Obliteration is a way to remove specific knowledge from an AI LLM without having to wipe the whole thing out and start over. It can unlearn things basically, and it makes it more focused or gets it to stop doing things you don't want it to do. Another thing is, yeah, you can do that through fine tuning, but it kind of dumbs the model down a little bit when you do that. This is a way to remove things like refusals and censorship or other aspects you don't want without that quality loss. Obliteration is different from fine tuning, but we'll get into that a little bit later on. Maxime Labonne is a machine learning scientist with Liquid AI. He has a PhD and he's a major player in open source AI, and I've been following him for a while. You can see his work on GitHub and Hugging Face, and here's a list of obliterated models that he put together in a collection on Hugging Face. I tested one in a previous video that was called Neural Daredevil. It was 8 billion parameters and it ran locally. You can check that out if you look at my channel page. Labonne popularized obliteration, and he also makes his research and models completely open source. Obliteration and fine tuning both tweak AI models, but they're like opposite tools. Fine tuning is like teaching a model new skills or improving its knowledge by training it on new data. It adds or refines capabilities. Obliteration is different. It is about removing knowledge or behaviors, like erasing unwanted biases or restrictions without messing up the model's overall abilities. Think of fine tuning as writing new pages in a book, while obliteration is carefully tearing out a single page at a time without ruining the whole story. Fine tuning can remove some performance ability from a model, and obliteration does not have that drawback. One cool thing he did was he obliterated the 14B version of the Qwen 3 that just came out recently, and I had a really tough time trying to jailbreak Qwen 3, so this is good. You can learn more about obliteration on his blog. Also, separate thing, he actually released an LLM course on GitHub for free for people who want to get into engineering and computer science. This is amazing. He's done such good work. His datasets are also completely free and open source on GitHub. I know we're getting off topic from obliteration here, but I still want to just point out some of his work. He made this thing called Small Agents. It is a library that enables you to run powerful agents in a few lines of code, and it's open source. I think it's awesome that there's a whole other way to modify open source AI besides just fine tuning. I'm going to keep up with Maxime Labonne's work, and I really want to try that Qwen 3 14B version that was obliterated. If you get a chance to use that before me, please post in the comments. Also, if you've been following him or know anything about this, or you've tested any of these models, please let me know in the comments. If you found some value in this video, please click the like button. You can follow me on X for updates more frequently than I put on YouTube. If you want to see me make more videos about open source LLMs, how to run open source AI on your own computer, and just technical information kind of like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I make a new video, hit the notification bell. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have a good one.